Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the liquid silicone ball pouch by the Bonus collection. So let's get started. So this is the liquid silicone ball pouch itself. And you can protect and stimulate your manly shapes with this liquid silicone ball stretcher. The toy stretches the balls and keeps a tight hold of them as well. This provides a pleasurable sensation as well as a bigger bulge. You can wear it during an intense night in the bedroom, or you can hide it under your clothes to draw extreme attention with your bulge. The material is made of a soft silicone, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and will feel amazing on your skin. It's also stretchy for the perfect fit, so it will be really comfortable to wear. Now, when using this liquid silicone ball pouch, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean your ball pouch after every use using either a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the liquid silicone ball pouch by the Bonus collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.